Namaste, dear friends. Once again, welcome to your own Riva's boutique. I'm sorry I couldn't do videos for you for last 2 weeks because of some personal commitments. So again, we are back with bang. Yes. So today I'm going to show you the world famous chicken curry dresses and kurtis as well as kurtis. And just wait for the showstopper. I've got very beautiful articles for you. So please do watch till the end, my friends, and thank you for so many messages. I would like to request you one thing. Please comment on the YouTube channel so that our channel gets little pushed. So instead of directly messaging me, you can do me a favor. प्लीज़ आप लोग कमेंट्स अपना बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स जो आप लिखते हो यूट्यूब पे लिख दीजिएगा. तो चले आज हम चलते अपने कलेक्शन के साथ और and I would like to introduce chicken curry. What is the meaning of chicken curry? Nobody knows, so let me just take few seconds for that. Chicken curry is chicken is a Persian word actually that has been local slang, has been done as chicken curry. So this was introduced in India during Mughal period, maybe 17th century by the famous Noor Jahan of Jahangir's wife. So here you have many intricate embroidery types and all in Persian chicken curry. So let's see one and more things here. So I would like to also tell you that chicken curry is basically very time taking and beautiful embroidery which you can see. So this has many different types of work, famous being tepchi and murri, fanda, bakia. So the list goes on. There are basically 32 types of stitches. So let's see one by one today. I'll try to introduce some of the chicken curry works for you. So today, as it is festive collection, I have brought you the intricate pure chicken curry. So let's have a look. The first thing what we are seeing is the beautiful chicken curry on pure rayon, which I am wearing. This is pink as you can see, and this is beautiful sky blue, and it's a medley of colors, my friends. You can see on the shades hues of blue. So it starts from gray, light sky blue to, you can see it's gala booty. It's very beautifully done, and all over you can see the full chicken curry, intricately done and densely done, my friends. So at Rivas we don't do conjuicy in doing this also. This is the work in the front, beautiful work as you can see, my friends, as well as in the back also you have one big booty here, and the neck work also is there as you can see in this. And again if you see from front, you have full work on the sleeves also like this, and shoulder booty is also done, my friends. And the price of this beautiful kurti which is on pure rayon is 2145, my friends. Once this comes to your hand, you will know why the price, because if you see the finishing also, you can see it is very neatly done. This is high class chicken curry, original chicken curry, my friends. The next one is this beautiful truly royal chicken curry, my friends. If you come in the front and see, you can just see, I'll show you the thing. Wait, I'll just take this out and show you. You can just see, my friends, here you can see the beautiful jal work. Can you see here? This is done by hand. These are all truly royal chicken curry which you can only find in, see the jal, so you can only find in the best showrooms in across world. So this is available at Rivas, my friends. You can see 4 to 5 the work of chicken pattern here. So what I was speaking was, I'll show you as you can just come down and see. You can see, my friends, this work is done in the back as you can see here, and here is the shadow work. This is bakia work, my friends, as in the beginning I was telling you, and this is keel kangan work, tepchi. So there are so many work, 2 to 3 types of work in this kurti. Though it looks simple, it's very elegant and true to its royal chicken curry, the Mughal dynasty chicken curry. And back also, my friends, if you can see, as this is festive wear, you can see full bootas in the back, as well as you can see here, my friends, there's all bakia and keel kangan work done on premium cotton, my friends. This is very premium cotton, and it runs in the sides also, as you can see, the same bakia panda, and you can see the neatness of the work here, as both sides you can see this. Here also you have keel kangan work and bakia going along, and if you see the neck, if you can come up and see, here also you have beautiful work here, and buttas, big booty here also, my friends. This is the real Nawabi chikankari with jal work and 4 to 5 works of chikankari, as you can see. Even as you can see here on sleeves also you have full work. So this is the royal chikankari, which is truly Lucknowi chikankari, my friends, and the price of this is 3935, my friends. The price is 3935. Why it is 3935? You can just know when this beautiful piece, royal piece, comes to your hand, my friends. How about this black beauty, my friends? For all the black lovers, you can see this totally jal work of chikankari here. What I was talking about tepchi, my friends, this is the tepchi stitching of chikankari, and here also you can see, my friends, the neatness of the work. It's totally handmade, and this is what is tepchi chikankari means. I'll be telling you all the chikankaris. Here you can see beautiful work with stitches done here, and sides also there are different kinds of work with bale work and floral and all with tepchi, my friends. This is totally tepchi chikankari on premium cotton, my friends. This is totally premium. So once this comes to your home, in your hand, you will know what Rivas always procures, my friend. And back also you can see the same tepchi work buttas all over. So it's totally, you can see till the end you have beautiful tepchi buttas, my friend. And on sleeves also, my friends, you can see this beautiful tepchi work again continuing on sleeves, and the price is 1755. I'm giving you at the best price, my friends. If you go to Lucknow also, I assure you, you will not get these in the same price. You will pay double for this. So as I procure from the manufacturer, I am able to give you at this price. So please own one. These are the pure Lucknowi Nawabi chikankaris with totally intricate work. Yes, friends. Now this is on pure silk, my dear friends, and these colors are dyed by us only. So these colors usually you won't find anywhere, and we always dye this in very different colors, very unique colors of chikankari. Again, as you can see, this is gala booty, my friends, heavily worked gala booty with silk thread, 3D work, my friends. You can see, I hope you can see the shining. आप देख सकते हो शायद. तो ये पूरा सिल्क के ऊपर सिल्क धागे से बना हुआ है. तो आप देखो यहाँ पूरा, यहाँ भी आपको बूटा मिलेगा all over the kurti here, and sides में भी बेल जाएंगे ऐसे. आप you can see this, and in down also you have this same running, and totally again, my friends, this is handwork. You can see the neatness of the handwork of Rivas. So you pay for this original chikankari at Rivas, my friends. Every penny is worth in Rivas. So that is what is our motto: pure silk, pure silk thread, and beautiful Nawabi chikankari, not the regular chikankari. This is Nawabi chikankari as well. I'll show you. Back also you have a big boota here. You can see here, it's again on silk thread handwork, and on the neck also you have this work, again one bale running here, all self thread, color thread, my friends. So this is what Rivas offers you, and the price of this beautiful sea greenish kind of color kurta is 1485, my friends. As I said, this is pure silk and pure silk thread work. Now moving on forward, ये आप देखिए ब्यूटीफुल सा रेयन के ऊपर 18 kg रेयन है, फ्रेंड्स. वी यूज दैट. ऑन दैट यू कैन सी दिस huge gala booty with again silk thread. You can see this, and friends, this is 2-piece set. I'll be showing you the bottom also. ये आपको 2 piece का set मिलेगा, जो कि रिवाज में ही आपको ऐसे खूबसूरत प्रिंट्स के साथ प्योर मटेरियल में मिल जाएगा. दिस गला बूटी एज यू कैन सी फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज अगेन घास पत्ती वर्क एंड बूटा ऑल ओवर टिल द एंड. And if you can see sides also, this has work running across. And I'll show you the bottom now. You can see this beautiful bottom, my friends. Again, if you see, this is a huge semi-parallel bottom, and you have the same booties running on the bottom also, both the sides you can see, my friends. So this is like 3D work we call it as, which is like thoda ubar ke aata hai, which looks very beautiful, my friends. So this is the bottom of this beautiful set. And अगर आप देखेंगे बैक ऑल्सो ऐसा ब्यूटिफुल सा एक बड़ा 3D वाला बूटी आपको मिल जाएगा, जो कि अगेन दिस होल थिंग इज टोटली हैंड वर्क, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. एंड इफ यू कैन जस्ट see, have a look at the sleeves also, you have this ghas patti running across the sleeves. And as you can see, this beautiful two-piece set with handwork on both bottom and top, my friends, is 2645. and आपको इसमें और एक कलर मिल जाएगा, एकदम ब्लैक करेंट कलर. अगर आपको वो चाहिए, you can contact me directly, I will show you the piece. and इसमें sizes available रहेगा 38 to 46. Again, one more masterpiece I can say from my treasure, my friends. ये आप देख रहे हो, अगेन टेपची वर्क के ऊपर गला बूटी है, सेल्फ वर्क है. ये भी बहुत ही रनिंग है, क्योंकि ये कलर आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. दिस इज काइंड ऑफ ब्लूइश ग्रे यू कैन से, माय फ्रेंड्स. नज़दीक आके अगर देखेंगे, ये भी बहुत ही सुंदर सा गला बूटी है. यू कैन सी द वर्क हियर. इट हैज़ टाई पैटर्न ऑल्सो, माई फ्रेंड्स, विथ गला बूटी हियर. इट्स ऑन सेल्फ थ्रेड वर्क, टेपची वर्क, बूटास आपको मिल जाएगा हर जगह, इफ यू कैन सी. एंड अगेन दिस इज टू पीस. यू कैन सी द ब्यूटिफुल बॉटम हियर, माई फ्रेंड्स. आपको यहाँ भी पूरा वर्क मिल जाएगा. आपको आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे पूरा हैंड वर्क के साथ. ये बॉटम सिल्क का बॉटम है, माय फ्रेंड्स, सेम मटेरियल. आप देख लो, दोनों तरफ आपको ऐसे वर्क मिल जाएगा. एंड दिस वेरी mesmerizing different color set, two-piece set, would cost you 2125. that is 2145, my friends. and sizes available are 38 to 46 again. So how is this piece, my friends? आप देखिए, this on pure modal silk. as you all know, the best expensive modal silk we use. So this is on modal silk. again this is self work, my friends. that means आपको सेम कलर पे सेल्फ कलर का थ्रेड का वर्क मिल जाएगा. अगेन दिस इज 3D वर्क. आप जैसे देख सकते हो फ्रेंड्स, ये भी 2 पीस है, मैं मेंशन करना भूल गई. दिस ऑन ब्यूटीफुल मोडल सिल्क हेवी पीस. दिस इज माय फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन सी हेवी 3D वर्क, टोटल हैंड वर्क. हमारे इसमें कोई मशीन का वर्क नहीं होता है. इट्स टोटली हैंड वर्क, माय फ्रेंड्स. यू कैन सी द richness of this. and the booties, dense booties. this is why you pay in chicken curry, my friends, for the work. this kind of dress, it takes around 20 to 25 days, my friends, to make one dress. so you can see, come to the bottom and see, this is also again heavy work here, 3D again. and even in sides you have the work here. and I'll show you the neatness of the work. see, my friends, you can see this is hand work actually. Can you see the intricacy and the work of this? yes, this is Rivas. this is Rivas quality. this is Rivas, what is known for from past 15 years, my friends. and you can see the bottom, I'll show you again, same modal silk on the same material, no kanjusi here. again modal silk, and you can see the dense work here also, my friends. can you see this? at least half of your leg you will have this beautiful handwork, self handwork on bottom also, my friends. and this color is very beautiful, very high demanding color, which is some people call it baby pink, so let us go with that. it is a baby pink color. and again, if you see, my friends, even on sleeves, if you can come and see, it is totally, you can see the booties here. I'll show you. see, it's all dense booties again here, everywhere. again no kanjusi in that. here both will have that, both sleeves. and I'll show you the back. you can see back also has this heavy booty here, self work, and again on the running gala is also there. And even my friends, I'll show you the beauty of this once again. You can see the shoulder part also has work. Can you see this? As a Nawabi chikankari, my friends. This is why it is Nawabi chikankari. Here also you have both the shoulders, you will have work, my friends. The price of this beautiful two-piece set, pure modal, my friends, with heavy work chikankari is 3885. The beautiful sunshine yellow, my friends, lemon yellow, I think this is lemon yellow, again on pure silk, my friends. The silk, if you take it in hand, you will come to know the quality of this. So please, once you just take from Rivaaz and see the chikankari work, how it is. So this is again chikankari, tepchi chikankari with the same. I showed you the last piece was like, the last article was like little heavy. This is little, the work is little subtle in this. So here you have self on self, so on silk thread work. So this total will be having till end, till the bottom, it will be having booties, my friend. Again, I forgot to mention, this is also two-piece set, my dear friends. ये भी two-piece का set है सिल्क के ऊपर. आप देख सकते हो कितना ही खूबसूरत इसका बूटी है, गला बूटी. एंड ये भी टेपची में आपको सेल्फ वर्क में थ्रेड, सेल्फ थ्रेड वर्क में आपको एंड तक बूटा मिल जाएगा. एंड अगेन, as I said, see the neatness of the work, my friends. This is totally handmade, and see the neatness. This is why Rivaaz is known for the quality. You can just see how beautiful the work is. Can you just see? This is so beautiful. And I'll show you the bottom also, my friends. This is the bottom. Again, this is same material silk and having booties and down lining of this work. Again, handwork. And this nice beautiful article will cost you 2125. And this bottom, as you can see, comes with this, and size will be 38 to 46, my dear friends. Chalo friends, now today I'll introduce you to my most famous, I would say, in my collection. One more segment I'll introduce you. This is dress materials. Yes, Rivaaz also has dress materials, my friend. Rivaaz के खजाने में ड्रेस मटेरियल भी है जो आई अश्योर यू आपने कहीं नहीं देखा होगा. तो हम इसको खुद बनवाते हैं, तो आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेराइटीज़ आपको मिलेगा, जिसका मैं आज सिर्फ एक झलक दिखाती हूँ. आप देखते जाइए, एंड आपको अच्छा लगे प्लीज़ कमेंट ज़रूर करिएगा, बिकॉज ऐसे वाले सूट्स जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको शायद ही कहीं मिलेगा. एंड ओनली रिवाज प्रोवाइड्स यू विथ सच गुड मटेरियल्स एंड जेन्युइन क्वालिटी. तो चलिए आज हम एक नया सेगमेंट भी इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, आप देखते जाइएगा. आई होप यू विल श्योरली लाइक दिस. तो ये अपना सब हर जगह हर स्टेट से बन के आता है. जैसे मेरे अभी आप मेरे हाथ में देखो, ये जयपुर से बन के आया है माय फ्रेंड्स. आपको मैं इसका डिटेल्स अभी बताती हूँ. ये देखिए माय फ्रेंड्स, कलर देखा है आपने कहीं ऐसे खूबसूरत सा? ये जयपुर का है मटेरियल. आप ये आप बोल सकते हो सेमी सिल्क, सिल्क के ऊपर है, जिसमें आपको मैं क्या क्या वर्क अभी हमने बनवाया है मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. आइए चलिए देखते हैं. आप देखिए फ्रेंड्स, नज़दीक आके देखेंगे, प्लीज़ हैव अ लुक. इसमें आपको तारी वर्क, पर्ल वर्क, नलकी वर्क और सब कुछ, जो गोता पट्टी का वर्क भी है इसमें, जो जयपुर का जाना माना होता है. आप देखिए यहाँ से अगर गला देखेंगे, ब्यूटीफुल सा टोटल हैंड वर्क आपका बना हुआ है. हर तरह का काम है इसमें, 3-4 तरह का. और पूरे बॉडी में अगर आप देखेंगे नीचे तक आपको ऐसी छोटी छोटी बूटियाँ अगेन हैंड वर्क के साथ आपको मिल जाएगा. और इसके साथ आपको बॉटम तो आपको मिलेगा ही, जैसे आप जानते हो. ये भी आपको प्योर सैंटून में आएगा माय फ्रेंड्स, जो कि यू नो विदाउट लाइनिंग आप सिलवा सकते हो. ये सब खुद मटेरियल मैं सिलवाती हूँ. और इसका दुपट्टा आप देखो कितना ही ब्यूटीफुल है. ये पूरा शिफॉन, आप अगर छुएंगे ना, देखिए कितना सॉफ्ट, एक मुट्ठी में भी आ जाएगा. प्योर शिफॉन के ऊपर ऐसा आपको लहरिया, राईदाना लहरिया आपको मिल जाएगा. अगर आपको देखना है इसका कैसे दिखता है, आप देखिए ऐसे कितना खूबसूरत सा आपको सेट आपको बन जाएगा. ये देखिए. और इसके नीचे भी हमने पूरा करने के लिए एक्सेसरीज, टैजल्स वगैरह, लेस सब लगा हुआ है माय फ्रेंड्स. एक बार ये आप सिलवा के पहनोगे ना, दिस विल लुक very beautiful like this. This is on pure silk with 3 to 4 works, my friend. And इस ब्यूटीफुल सा ड्रेस का मटेरियल, सॉरी ड्रेस मटेरियल का आपको प्राइस पड़ेगा 2895 माय फ्रेंड्स ऑन प्योर सिल्क. एंड कलर इज सो ब्यूटीफुल, सो वाइब्रेंट, इज टोटली फेस्टिव वेयर माय फ्रेंड्स. सो प्लीज grab yours as soon as possible. Can you see this, my friends? Beautiful baby pink. And I'll tell you the the जो खासियत है इसका मैं आपको बताती हूँ. ये 2 कपड़े के ऊपर बना हुआ है माय फ्रेंड्स. दिस इज एप्लिक वर्क. एप्लिक वर्क आपने सब पैच के तौर पे देखा होगा, बट ये पैच नहीं है. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ क्या खासियत है इसमें. व्हाट इज सो माई मेक्स दिस सो एलिगेंट एंड यूनिक. आई विल जस्ट शो यू. ये देखिए फ्रेंड्स, आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट द यूनिकनेस ऑफ दिस मटेरियल. कैन यू सी दिस? दिस इज प्योर कॉटन. कैन यू सी दिस? दिस प्योर कॉटन. इसको बेस बना के इसके ऊपर ये वाला जो कपड़ा है इसको हमने हाथ से कटवा के, दिस इज ऑल यूनिक एप्लिक वर्क माय फ्रेंड्स. ईच विंडो व्हाट यू आर सीइंग, दिस इज एक्चुअली हैंडमेड, हैंड कट, एंड ये हाथ से सिला हुआ है माय फ्रेंड्स. अगर आप यहाँ पे, आई डोंट नो हाउ फार यू कैन सी, दिस टोटली हैंड स्टिच्ड. तो ऐसा वाला ये एप्लिक वर्क है, प्योर हैंडमेड एप्लिक वर्क. एंड यहाँ पे आप जितना भी आप होल्स देख रहे हैं ऐसे, ये सब each and everything is individually cut and made my friends. and ये आपको प्री श्रंक आप देख सकते हो. you can see this जो जैसे लाइंस दिख रहे हैं ना, so this is प्री श्रंक कॉटन. अगेन बॉटम होगा. और आपको मैं इसका जादू और दिखाती हूँ, एनहांस द ब्यूटी. आप देखिए फ्रेंड्स, सी द दुपट्टा फुल लेंथ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. आप देखो कितना बड़ा है. इसमें भी पूरा का पूरा हैंड स्टिच्ड एप्लिक वर्क आपको देखिए कितना खूबसूरत है. बॉर्डर में आपको सेम एप्लिक वर्क हाथ का मिलेगा. ये कपड़ा काट के जो बनाते हैं, ये यूजुअली आप एप्लिक वर्क आपने देखा होगा जो कपड़ा काट के बनाते हैं. द क्लॉथ इज स्टिच्ड, बट दिस इज समथिंग यूनिक आई एम शोइंग यू. सो बोथ sides the border you will have this hand cut applique work my friends. You can see here also both sides this is hand cut applique work. आप जैसे देख सकते हो, this is very painstaking and time consuming my dear friends. You just should own such unique pieces which only you will be wearing. अगर आप पहन रहे हो तो कोई दूसरा ऐसे पहनेगा ही नहीं. ऐसा यूनिकनेस के लिए लोग रिवाज के पास आते हैं. तो प्लीज़ जॉइन रिवाज क्लब and wear unique things like this my friends. Once this is stitched it looks so elegant. and इसमें आपको एक लैवेंडर कलर का भी मिल जाएगा जो कि मैं यहाँ पे मैं नहीं दिखा रही हूँ. आपको अगर चाहिए तो मुझे डायरेक्ट आप कॉल कर सकते हैं my friends. and the price of this beautiful unique piece my friends is just 2345 if you want to believe. This is totally handmade my friends. 2385. दोस्तों, my dear friends, did you recognize this? It is as famous as chikankari but little less popular. but of course this is very vibrant. Fulkari, yes, Rivaz also has Fulkari items my dear friends which comes from Punjab. This is totally vibrant and the most beautiful handmade dress piece. So you can see this. This is also on silk and it is totally handmade my friends. You can see this. Can you just see? It just goes down so vibrant. And I'll show you. This is again handwork my dear friends. You can see this is again handwork. So Fulkari is basically from the land of warriors, that is Punjab. And this is as famous as chikankari in North India, but somehow in South India people have missed this beautiful art, textile art. And I'm introducing this to you, and this is available in Rivaz my friends. See the beauty of this dupatta my friends. As I said, how beautiful this looks. Even dupatta is totally handmade with heavy buttas and small buttas, both floral you can see here. And again both sides my dear friends you will have nice handwork bail from here. Again you can see from here also you have this. You can see here also both sides this has actually 4 sides my friends. Even on bottom it is handwork is there. You can just see the handwork, how neat it is. So Rivaaz always gives you the best at the best price. So this is one more beautiful Fulkari dress material, my friends, with this contrast bottom, shantung bottom, my friends. And the price of this beautiful silk dress material, my friends, with its heavy total work is 2445. ड्रेस मटेरियल्स की बात हो एंड अपना फेवरेट, एवरीबडीज फेवरेट चंदेरी, माय फ्रेंड्स. चंदेरी ना हो ही नहीं सकता है. जस्ट सी दिस, it's spectacular, my friends. If I'll show you the details in a while. This is beautiful chanderi material with again totally handwork. Rivaaz is very well known for handwork, so you keep on seeing handwork on handwork and handwork. So let us see the details of this, my friends. This is, as I said, this is totally आपको हैंड वर्क मिलेगा. आप देख सकते हो इतना ही ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्बिनेशन है. एंड फ्रेंड्स, इसमें आपको और 3-4 कलर मिल जाएगा. इफ़ यू नीड एनी अदर कलर लाइक पिंक, ब्लू, येलो एंड ऑल इज देयर. दिस गला बूटी, सो यू कैन जस्ट कॉल मी डायरेक्टली, सो आई विल शो यू. एंड सी चीटे वाला यहाँ पे स्मॉल बूटीज आप देख रहे हो. यू कैन सी बूटीज ऑल ओवर, माई फ्रेंड्स. दिस इज प्योर चंदेरी, my friends. So on chanderi it is handwork. And the best part is, my friends, as usual, Rivaaz is known for the dupattas. Yes, this is weaving jamdani dupatta, my friends. आप देख सकते हो कितना ही, मतलब आप बोलो कैसे लग रहा है. For me, these are all my babies and all are very dear to me. आप देखो पूरा का पूरा ये आपको जामदानी विथ मीना आप दिख रहा है ना, जरी का ये मीना वर्क का आपको वीविंग में मिलेगा. I'll show you. See, this is totally weaving, my friends. Jamdani weaving. Rivaaz only gives, you know, value to the Indian heritage, and from past 15 years we are maintaining that. आप देखो कितना ही खूबसूरत है इसका दुपट्टा. एंड इसका जो आप है ना फ्रेंड्स, द दुपट्टा इज वेरी लेंथी. ओके, इन Rivaaz you get almost 2.3 to 2.5 meters of dupatta, and this comes with beautiful shantung silk contrast bottom. And the price of this elegant piece is, which is also subtle, my friend, is 2385. That is 2385. Pure chanderi, my friends. Pure chanderi with jamdani weaving dupatta. So this is another design in same chanderi, my friends. This is little darker shade, but this is also pure chanderi. And the design you can see, it's like gala booty in this. Again handwork, my dear friends. This totally what you are seeing, the total neck is handwork. And here what you are seeing, the floral pattern here and all, this is totally weaving, jamdani weaving with little bit of you know, meenakari in between. So this is totally jamdani chanderi dress material. So see the mesmerizing dupattas, my friends. As I was telling कि Rivaaz बहुत ही जाना जाता है अपने you know दुपट्टे के लिए, तो लोग दुपट्टे के लिए यहाँ पे आते हैं. And see, this is also, my friends, जैसे हम प्रॉमिस करते हैं, this is all weaving, nothing is printed. And इसके साथ आपको ऐसे beautiful सा tassels भी दिया हुआ है. And here in border you have weaving of zari, my friends. And it comes with, आप देखोगे तो ये शैंटून बॉटम का टोटल 2.5 मीटर्स रहेगा, माय फ्रेंड्स. बॉटम भी कॉन्ट्रास्ट के साथ है. एंड द प्राइस ऑफ दिस ब्यूटिफुल ड्रेस पीस इज 2765, विच इज प्योर चंदेरी विथ वीविंग जामदानी. आई नो, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, all of you who knows our Rivaaz channel would be waiting for the last segment, which is showstopper segment. So chalo fatafat we'll go for the showstopper. I'll show you the most beautiful dresses which I have made for you. So we'll just have a look at those beautiful dresses, my dear friends. Though these are showstopper pieces, my friends, मैं आपको ऐसे प्राइस आपको चौंका देगा. It will, you know, you will not be believing this. This totally hand block lehriya, my friends, on pure Kota Doria material. Yes, my dear friends, Kota Doria, राजस्थानी कोटा डोरिया मटेरियल के ऊपर पूरा का पूरा ये हैंड ब्लॉक लहरिया है. एंड if you come up and see, this is totally done by machine, not handwork. And this is beautiful coding design, you can see gala booty. And again totally dress will have this small buttas, my friends, which is again not handmade, but it is machine made, coding machine made. And till the end, my dear friends, this is the the specialty of Rivas. Till end you will have the lining material, so that as कोटा डोरिया थोड़ा ट्रांसपेरेंट होता है, आपको एंड तक आपको मिल जाएगा. एंड बॉटम पे आपको ऐसे ब्यूटीफुल सा लेस का वर्क दिया है to enhance the dress very subtly. And you will get this beautiful cotton, pure cotton, my friends, bottom with this पॉकेट्स भी है इसमें. एंड इसका आपको मैं अभी मैजिक दिखाती हूँ, आप देखिएगा. आई जस्ट शो यू द मैजिक इन अ मोमेंट. आप देखिए, दिस इज टोटली कोटा डोरिया हैंड ब्लॉक, my dear friends. Can you come closer, my dear friends? If you come closer and see, totally hand block Kota Doria. You can make it out, right? With again embroideries all over, and the dupatta also is very huge, my dear friends. And the price of this showstopper piece number 1, my dear friends, is 2255. That is 2255. Can you imagine? Totally handmade Leheria, pure Kota Doria, my dear friends. So this is showstopper 1 of today's Rivas episode, my dear friends. Hanji, showstopper number 2, the last piece of this episode. Beautiful bandhani. As I promised you, it's all festive wear, my friends, with zari work. This is called as, you can see this, right? This is called as chatai. Yes, chatai embroidery. So chatai work, and this is on the finest cotton you can find, my dear friends. This is printed, not hand bandhani, handmade bandhani. This is printed bandhani on pure cotton with chatai work. And if you can come closer, you can see nalki work, hand work here, my friends. Can you see this? Totally, this is nalki work, beautifully handcrafted. And this also has this bandhani, the same bandhani print wala bottom, you can see. And I'll show you the dupatta also in a while. And this comes with this beautiful bandhani dupatta, as you can see, my friends, jal bandhani. And bottom you have again bandhani print. And I forgot to show you one more thing, my dear friends. Even in sleeves you have this beautiful work. Can you see this? This is beautiful tar work. This is done from wire, my friends. Not it won't break. This is done by tar work, which is very famous in Rajasthan. And this dress comes with an unbelievable price, 1785. आप बोलिए फ्रेंड्स, कौन इतने अच्छे ड्रेस को 1785 में देगा? सिर्फ रिवाज दे सकता है. So this is our final article of this episode. Hope you enjoyed this, seeing the variety which is available in Rivas. So keep hooked to this channel कि आप और भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप जो मैं आपको वर्क दिखाती हूँ आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. And I promise to keep my words again. So every week you will see something or the other new ones, my friend. So for this week we will end the episode. I hope you all liked. So I'll take a leave now. And please do like, subscribe, comment, because again and again I request you, only if you comment and like, my channel will grow and I can show you more and more. This is how the YouTube algorithm works. So I request you, my friends, to you all, to share with your friends, family, and please help us to grow so that we can also bring more and more to you. So this will help in ranking also. So for today, namaskar, and please do subscribe, and next week we'll meet you with some other mesmerizing collection of Rivas. Thank you.